Hey everyone, we're gonna read the book called Mighty Mighty Construction Site. What do you see on the cover? Yeah, I see a crane. I see trucks. I see a dirt quarry, or I see a construction site. Let's get started. Oh, and I see a sun. This one's a little hard. I'm gonna have to read it and then show it. There's a lot of words. Down in the big construction site, 5 trucks wake to the morning light. It's time to stretch, roll out of bed, and gear up for the day ahead. They wipe their faces, greet the sun. Hi, sun. Load up, fuel up, rev up, and run. They're eager to get things underway. There's a brand new job to start today. The plans unrolled, they stare in awe. The biggest thing they ever saw. A massive building, so immense. This giant job will be intense. It's a lot for them to do. Too much for just a 5-truck crew? Cement mixer is thinking fast. He gives his horn a blaring blast. Honk! Show me how you honk your horn. Honk, 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 honk. Honk, honk, honk. Mighty trucks all hear the call. They start up in no time at all. Out on the road, they drive full steam. They rush right in to join the team. Rolling, rumbling, revving hard. 10 big trucks meet in the yard. A mighty, massive super crew. There is nothing they can't do. So they're all together. Skid steers nimble, small and quick. She turns, she spins, she does a trick. There's her trick. What did she do? Did she break a rock? Wow. Bulldozer's heavy, wide, and grand. He'll push and plow to clear the land. But even he can use a hand. So he can use some help. Skid's breaker bit blasts rocks to rubble. So Dozers rolls through without trouble. 2 friends at work, one big, one small. They clear the way. They move it all. Each long trench is marked and planned. Excavator digs the land. Then Backhoe grabs a drainage pipe and sets it down in one smooth swipe. So there's your excavator. And here's your backhoe. So he digs the hole and he puts in the hole. Turn and dig, then lift and drop. Then push some dirt right back on top. They set each pipe and then repeat. This duo doesn't miss a beat. They work together. Pulling up with all his might, crane truck lifts a beam to height, and then he spins his hook around. But just before it touches ground, crane truck gasps out in surprise. He's used up all of his supplies. But what's this coming down the road? Could it be another load? What's the car doing? It's driving. Oh, he's driving. Mighty flatbed revs and runs, smoothly hauling 50 tons down the road and over hills. Her load strapped tight so nothing spills. The truck is driving. On sight, she rolls right to a stop with crane supplies all stacked on top. Flatbed trucks just saved the day. Their work can get back underway. So they got more supplies. They can keep working now. Front end loader and dump truck pair to move great loads from here to there. Digging, lifting, hauling ground. Giant piles are moved around. Loader digs and scoops his fill, then tilts it up so there's no spill. His bucket raises to the max, then beep, beep, beep as loader backs. So when he backs up, he goes beep, 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 beep. Dirt and gravel hauled away. These pails move mountains every day. Cement mixer is working hard around the whole construction yard. Load after load, he turns and pours, makes foundations, roads, and floors. But now the concrete needs to climb. So it needs to climb, it needs to go up. Oh, did I show you the picture? And here is Pumper, right on time. Pumper's boom unfolds, goes high, reaching up towards the sky. Fill the hopper, flip the switch, and zoom! Concrete is pushed into the boom. Up through the pipe, it does not stop. The concrete comes out way up top. Churn and pour and lift and fill. This team works hard with speed and skill. Rough and rugged all day long. Rolling, so let's do it. Rolling, lifting, digging strong. Each truck has had a part to play to help the work get done today. All the trucks helped. Just like the plan, the job's complete. This awesome team just can't be beat. Cooperation got it done. Teamwork made it fast and fun. The new crew leaves, but on their way, crane truck waves. Great work today. The crew drives off, engines loud, feeling tired, but strong and proud. So they're driving home. Their work is all done. It's getting dark. The sun has set. The trucks are tired as they can get. They roll to find their cozy beds, to cuddle up and rest their heads, to close their eyes, then drift away. New adventures wait another day. Construction site, all tucked in tight. Great work today. Now, shh, good night. The end. I hope you liked that story. It was called Mighty, Mighty Construction Site. Thanks for reading with me. Goodbye.